At 8 p.m. in Athens. The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Wilkes County in east central Georgia until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Tignal, 7 miles north of Washington, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Washington, Tignal, Jackson's Crossroads, Malory'sville, Newtown, Delhi, Norman, Danburg, and Floral Hill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 8 p.m. in Athens, it was cloudy.